In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a product on Podia. Duplicating a product is a quick way to reuse your existing work, perfect for creating seasonal versions, A/B testing different offers, or making a template you can adapt later. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish and share a few key notes so you don't miss anything important. Start by opening your Podia dashboard and signing in. From the dashboard, head to the products area. This is where all of your courses, downloads, and bundles live. Find the product you want to copy. On the right side of that products row, look for the three-dot icon. That icon opens the options menu for that specific product. Click the three dots, then select duplicate. Podia will open a pop-up window to confirm what you want to duplicate. First, give the copy a new, unique name. Clear naming saves time later, so consider using something descriptive like course name, draft, course name v2, or the launch date. In that same pop-up, you can choose whether to duplicate the sales page. Turn this on if you want an exact copy of the sales page design and content alongside the product itself. If you plan to write a fresh sales page from scratch, you can leave it off. When you're ready, click Duplicate Product to complete the process. Podia will start building your copy in the background. You'll see the new item on your products page, and it may take a few minutes to finish depending on the size of the original. Once it's ready, you can open the duplicate and make your edits without affecting the original. A couple of important notes as you review your new copy. Delay settings, also known as drip schedules, are not duplicated. If your original product released lessons over time, you'll need to reapply those delays on the duplicate. Video thumbnails also aren't copied, so plan to upload or select new thumbnails where needed. This is a great moment to quickly scan your curriculum and visuals to make sure everything looks the way you want. Regarding files, Podia's media library reuses the same video files for duplicated courses, so it won't create extra copies of those videos. That helps keep your library tidy. However, older uploads from before this improvement might still appear as duplicates. If storage or organization matters to you, take a moment to visit your media library and clean up any outdated duplicates. And that's it, your product is duplicated and ready to customize. Thanks for watching, and happy building on Podia!